Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Welcome to Englewood, Florida. We're looking at the Mystique Model, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 1,889 square feet under air. We're just 3 miles to the beach. Let's go inside and take a look. Single entry front door, opening up. So let's walk over here to the right. Here's our first guest bath, shower tub combo, single vanity. Here's our first guest bedroom in the front. Turning back around, here's a view of the closet space. Let's go over to the left side. Here is the door going out to the garage. And then right across, you'll have your laundry space. Extra cabinets, sink, and then washer and dryer behind. Right next to the laundry room, you do have another guest bedroom. This one will be another ensuite. Turning back around, here's a view of your guest bathroom, single vanity, and here is a walk-in tiled shower. Turning back around, let's go explore the main home. This model also has an office and or den. This could be turned into a 4th bedroom. Okay, going into the main floor plan, so here is the dining towards the back, our living space, and even extra sitting space right over here. Turning around, here's a view of your chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop here with the upgraded KitchenAid appliance package. Turning back around, another view of the dining space. Here's the kitchen island and a view of the living room and the sitting space. Let's go find our owner bedroom. Owner bedroom will be towards the back of the property. King size bed for size reference. Turning back around. Going into your owner bath. Owner bath has double vanities. Walk-in tiled shower. And then you have your closet towards the back. Okay, let's take a look at the outdoor entertaining space. And definitely give me a call if you need any more details, 941-303-9575. Again, walking out of the owner bedroom. Double sliding glass doors. Let's open this up and go outside. So here's a view of the outdoor entertaining space. Beautiful saltwater pool, hot tub, and of course, plenty of places to entertain. You can give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575.